Alright, so I have arrived back, but yeah, we haven't been here since 2021. So I guess they're adding new art, so the one section is closed, but we're gonna go to the scary building first. And this right here is the North Mural. So it may not be as long of a video, but we'll still get a video out of it. I mean, I'm not going to complain because howdy, how you doing? Because I know when it comes to art exhibits, sometimes you need time to get some more ones up. Oh, okay. I think this is a scary building. Yep, this is a scary building. How you doing? So, okay, this is new. I don't remember it from last time.
I like this movie one right here. I like because it's like red. I also like this one.
So this is new. Oh, sorry. I have never seen this before. So these are some trains. Anytime. So if you guys know, this year, a couple months, about 2 months from now, we're going to be seeing the solar eclipse. But I'm looking back, I cannot remember this area. This is completely different. I don't know if you guys hear any voices. Last time I was here, and I was like, we were like heading on the second floor. Like there was like a voice that like when I was no one was there except for me and my sister, and there was a voice that was caught on there.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I do not know how long this video is going to be. So maybe we did go through this area before. Not sure. I can't remember.
It's because his job's being replaced by a robot.
Oh.
The robot had like a tail and the brush and he replaced him.
Wow. This is like a house that could be on the Dark Side channel. brand new. Okay. Oh, cool. I do not recognize this. Now this could be the sound of like the house settling. But maybe they took all the stuff that was out. Hey, do you guys know if like, because I used to have like an upside down attic or something like that, and I thought it was like started on the bottom floor and like what?
I don't know. This is our first time here.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. You guys from here? Or?
No, just visiting.
Oh, okay. Cool. Don't worry, I'm the YouTuber, so.
Nice.
Looks so much different though. I can't put my finger on why. Yeah. Maybe maybe the attic is upstairs. What in the fuck? Wow. Alright. Well, I have no idea what the hell that was. That was unsettling, to say the least. It felt like it was like some type of stalker thing or something like that. Kind of rushed out of there. Yeah, that is definitely different. So I left the creepy house. That third floor still gets me. I know that like I wasn't up on the third floor that long, So apparently that's a dark room for photographs and videos, but it's just the way that it's set up was like different. Sorry. Oh. Sorry about that.
That's alright, he's just noisy.
But yeah, so when I was like going through there, just the third floor seemed so heavy. But this over here is the alphabet reading garden.